So for our final verdict, I'm gonna be rating this one. You don't even know me like that. Ayan, so what is up you guys, it's your girl May. We're back again with another YouTube video, and for today's video, as you guys can see from the title down below, we're gonna be reviewing another product from Tiam Global. So we would like to thank Sunscreen Global, Suisui PH, and Tiam Global for sponsoring me this product. And I also made a review of their vitamin C source, so if you're also interested to watch that video, then go check my channel. So for today's video, we are going to make a review of the My Signature Vita Red Sunscreen UV Protector with SPF 50+ and PA+++. So again, packaging wise, it comes in a bright orange packaging, just like their Vitamin Red C source. And this one is actually very informative because it actually contains some product descriptions, ingredients, directions, and of course, the cautions. So this is the actual product. It's in a red container. It's the usual container for sunscreens. And this one, by the way, is 50 ml, very handy. So yeah, let's pop some product on our hands. So this is how it looks like. There. It's in a cream form, obviously. It's color white there, and scent-wise, it actually smells so good. It smells like perfume. It really smells so fresh. There you go. I'm just gonna blend it for you to see. And tada! So this one, by the way, is retailed for 900 pesos, 50 ml, and you can actually buy this one in Suisui PH in Lazada and Shopee, or you can go check the official website of Sunscreen Global. So for application, I actually apply this one every morning on top of my C source. So since on one hand, I'm using the vitamin C source, which actually contains 20% pure vitamin C. On the other hand, I really need to use sunscreen so that the vitamin C will not oxidize in my skin. And by the way, the prescribed amount of sunscreen is actually 3 fingers. There you go. Because if lesser, there's a tendency of you not getting enough sun protection. Also note that you need to apply your sunscreen 15 minutes before sun exposure. So as for my experience, it's actually very lightweight, it's non-greasy, and at the same time, it has this sheer coverage. It actually feels really fresh on the skin, so it doesn't clog my pores, and at the same time, it doesn't feel oily too. I also like the idea that it actually blends well with my makeup. There is no visible white stroke at all. And it also assures me that I am protected under the sun, or even if I'm just at home in front of my computer, in front of my laptop the entire day. So my skin feels really fresh right now because of the sunscreen. But before we proceed with our final verdict of the product, let us first talk about 3 of its active ingredients. So first to talk about is that it actually contains propylene glycol, which actually helps in the hydration and smoothness of our skin. It also contains methocyanamate, which actually protects the skin from sunburn and other damaging effects of the sun. And of course, dimethicone, which actually helps provide long-lasting and skin smoothening benefit. So for our final verdict, I'm gonna be rating this one 11 out of 10. Of course, you cannot deny that it's very advanced because it actually contains SPF 50+ and PA+++, which is very big thumbs up to that. It's also very easy to apply. But 900 pesos is actually quite pricey, especially for students like me. 900 pesos is quite pricey for a sunscreen. Considering the fact that you get all those benefits in just one product, then I might say that 900 is justifiable and it's worth the price. I believe that this one is actually a very good investment for your skin. You guys, I highly recommend this one. So if you're also interested to buy, then please make sure to check the description box below for their links. So yeah, that is all for today's video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you get the latest updates from my latest videos. That is all. See you in my next videos. Bye! You don't even know me like that.